everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a Tuscan tuna salad, so stay tuned. So let me show you some of the ingredients you're going to need to make this Tuscan tuna salad. Tuna, and mine was in a can with olive oil, some cannellini beans, as many as you'd like, zest of 1 lemon, the juice of a half a lemon. I'm putting some parsley in mine, also some matchstick carrots, Kalamata olives, salt, pepper, olive oil. I have a couple of cherry tomatoes, red onion, and a 50-50 blend of lettuce. Let's get started. So to begin, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my onion. You can use red because it's more colorful in the salad, which is what I'm doing. Feel free to put anything else or no onions at all. I just want a couple of slices because I'm just making this salad for me, but this is a great salad for a lunch if you have some girlfriends coming over and you want to make something that looks really nice. I'm cutting these onions in a half moon slice and then cutting them again because I hate giant pieces of onion in the salad. It's so hard to eat. I've already chopped up my little tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil to a bowl. I'd say there's 2 tablespoons. The juice of a half a lemon and the lemon zest. We're going to stir this together. I'm going to add some fresh pepper and some salt. All right, now what we're going to do is add our lettuce mix. Get the dressing all over the salad. Now, next step is we're going to use a plate and put this on the plate. Now, when I usually transfer lettuce to a serving plate and I'm going to serve some people, I always use my hands to kind of rearrange the lettuce in the plate itself so there's not too much, and we want it to look nice for presentation. All right, now I'm going to take our onions and I'm just going to distribute a few of those around. Same thing with the tomatoes, just going to kind of set them around. Let me show you what I have here so far. I have some Kalamata olives here. I'm going to add some carrots, just a few. Let's go ahead and get our cannellini beans in. Now, this is not a bean salad, this is a tuna salad, so we just want to add these beans as another element to the salad. When you're going to make a salad for people, you want to have a nice presentation. You don't want to take your tuna and dump it in there and stir it all up because that's not appealing at all. So just try to put your tuna in clumps. Be very careful getting it out of the can. Just like that, some bigger pieces. That's why I put it on a plate so that I can grab what I want. You don't want to just dump the can on top of here. Now I like to add a big clump of parsley on the side because I like parsley in my salads, and especially this salad because it has tuna in it. So the parsley kind of helps you out a little bit by cleansing your palate. If we have any leftover dressing, we'll go ahead and use that. Let's pour some more of the dressing on the top. We don't want it swimming in dressing, but I do want to get some on the tuna. Let me show you how I'm going to serve this. So I want to show you the finished salad. I just added a lemon wedge and some crackers and a pepperoncini pepper, and this is how I usually will serve this salad. It's very healthy and it tastes really good. So if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.